Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shahid Latif. Today in this video we are presenting another electronic based project entitled as Automation of Electric Wheelchair with map based roaming using smartphone. And this project is actually a prototype of the original electric wheelchair. This project is performed by Altaf Ahmad, Ishad Ghani and Jamil Yusuf. Introduction to the project. We know that patients with physical injuries and disability has become a day-to-day scenario due to wars, accidents, age, and even health problems. Usually, use of conventional electric wheelchair for those patients become very challenging. Thus, we are in need of an intelligent, powered, motorized electric wheelchair which can be operated and monitored with some sort of smart devices. This project is designed and developed to help the disabled patients to control the movement of electric wheelchair, which might be termed as roaming of electric wheelchair in different directions towards different locations on the basis of predefined map. With the help of an Android-based application, which might be a mobile device such as mobile phone, tablets, etc. This project is a bonus for those patients who are dependent on wheelchair for their mobility. It means that those patients which cannot move without the wheelchair. So everyone can reach out for this wheelchair to become independent if he and she can hold a smartphone. This application can be used with every Android-based mobile phone. The problem statement considered for this project is: we know major problem faced by people with cardiovascular and fatigue-based conditions is that their inability to propel a motorized wheelchair for distances or over terrain. These people need to take help of another person in order to move through their distances. Some of the prime objectives of this project are to help the people who are dependent on wheelchair for their mobility. Secondly, to provide easy access to defined and desired locations with less or even with no physical efforts, means that smartphone can take you to your desired position or location. Thirdly, to enable humans to use their body parts like a finger as input resources. Finally, to provide facility to move around like in a house, in a hospital, or in a mall in order to deliver his responsibilities. Hardware of the project. Major hardware used in this project includes Arduino UNO, H-bridge motor drive IC, dual H-bridge motor controller device, electric wheelchair, or a prototype like 2-gear motors, a Bluetooth device, and obviously connective or jumper wires. As a software tool, we are using Arduino IDE for programming the Arduino, and Android Studio and the SDK tool for developing the Android app. Methodology. This project enables an economical assembly in any existing wheelchair. Means that we are adding an economical assembly in the available electric wheelchair, which enables a smart system for automated motion of that electric wheelchair, and this automated motion is controlled by any smartphone. The main concept involved is a smartphone which has Android based operating system which support the 3-axis accelerometer and Bluetooth wireless technology. We develop an application for that mobile phone which is used for controlling the movement of this electric wheelchair directed as per predefined map. At the beginning, Bluetooth device of phone is turned on and paired with the Bluetooth device of electric wheelchair. Means both devices have the Bluetooth devices for pairing. Afterwards, the mobile application installed is turned on. Message from our mobile phone is sent to the Arduino directed from map on smartphone. Arduino then controls the movement of motors of electric wheelchair. Consequently, electric wheelchair roams to the desired location directed by map. This map in our app can be changed through programming. This is the flowchart of our project. Here you can see that we have to turn on the Bluetooth device on our smartphone. Then this device is paired with the hardware of electric wheelchair. After pairing, we turn on our mobile application, and from our mobile application we send message to the hardware section to the Arduino. Then Arduino control the movement of electric wheelchair directed by the map in a smartphone. This is the block diagram of the transmitter and receiver section of our project. Advantages of electric wheelchair automation. Beside many advantages, some of the most common advantages are listed over here. For example, automation of electric wheelchair will enable us to drive easily with negligible efforts, with less complexity and less hardware to mount on the wheelchair. This hardware can be mounted on the existing wheelchair, which is compact and economical and low power consuming. Similarly, reduces manpower and dependency on the human drive. Android application can scan the valid input at a faster rate and hence control the movement of electric wheelchair. Direct and indirect benefits. Indirect benefits. We have listed two benefits over here. This project is beneficial for other students to work on a sellable idea. It also provides the facility to reproduce similar device for disabled people, especially those having cardiovascular and fatigue conditions. The second direct benefit is that this project is beneficial for the users to use their smartphones or other smart devices to navigate through the predefined drawing. Beside many indirect benefits, we are listing 3 benefits over here. First of all, this project presents many indirect benefits to the students, like learning the development process, the entrepreneurship, and project management. Secondly, there are benefits to university by producing a sellable entity. And finally, this project is of general interest to ICT, electrical and electronics, and even general public. Future direction. This project can be modified further in many ways. For example, the ability of detecting obstacles means that by including the obstacle detection sensor in our project, the way or the route of predefined map and the consequences adaptation of the alternate route can be very attractive modification in the automated wheelchair. Similarly, the automated electric wheelchair can be converted in a nurse following or attendee following wheelchair for more easy roaming. This modification is beneficial for indoor applications such as inside the hospital corridors, clinics, laboratories, etc. Even these modifications can be beneficial in outdoor applications as well, such as lawn, mall, the working place like offices, etc. This automated wheelchair can be further modified as a sketch or pattern follower device, which take decisions on the basis of background picture. Demonstration of the project. Here we can see that this is the prototype of an electronic wheelchair which roams based on a predefined map. This panaflex is representing a map on which our electric wheelchair is roaming. So by clicking any section of the map in our smartphone, the automated electric wheelchair will go to that location. The software application developed for the Android-based smartphone is given in this and the upcoming slides. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and updates. Thank you very much.